On today's video, episode number 5 of my 2006 Mini Cooper S. Finally get the car running. We put a new cylinder head in, a bunch of little things to work out the bugs. I also put a new headliner in, and I swapped out the winter wheels for the summer wheels. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mike the Baldadonis, and I buy and sell cars as a hobby, and I bring you guys along with me, show the pros and cons of each vehicle that I buy. Now, I bought this Mini Cooper S almost 4 months ago, and it's turned into a project, an expensive one. The previous owner has also spent a lot of money on this vehicle. He spent almost $6,000. Now, that is a lot of money, but that's a lot of labor. And he lived in the Boston area, so the Boston shops really screwed him pretty good for labor costs. Now, I get my work done by my friend Dave. I get charged a fraction of the cost, and I include them in my videos so it works out, and so I'm able to buy a car, fix it for less, and sell it and make a little bit of money. I hope to. Some cars I just break even. On that note, I just sold my FJ Cruiser that I had 320,000 miles, 6-speed. That was a great running truck. I loved it very much, and it served me well for the past 8 months or so. And I sold my 2011 370Z convertible to a very nice gentleman and his family, and I hope they enjoyed it for the summer. All right, so back to this car. Now, I bought this, like I said, a few months ago, and to break it down, what did I do when I first bought it? Valve cover gasket, right shock, a complete tune-up including MSD coil pack, racing plugs and racing wires, steering wheel shaft, a fuel injector, and I had the wheels refurbished. So that was a bunch of repairs before this video. So all those videos are right here. You can watch it in the link in the description. So my cylinder head finally came in. Why did I need a cylinder head? Well, 2 of the valves were burnt out in the old cylinder head. All right, on this video clip, I'm gonna take it to my friend Dave at European Auto Solutions, and I'm gonna squash all the clips into one big clip that's coming up right now. So what did we do? New cylinder head with the head gaskets, thermostat, timing chain tensioners, not once but twice. So a check engine light was coming on because of a gas cap. We put that in. We swapped out the winter wheels for the summer wheels. So let's take a look. What do you think? Collapsed?
Fucking stuck in. Fucking piece of shit.
All right, so when that was done, I took it to my friend Rainey. He does a lot of custom work for me, and we did a headliner. So let's take a look. So now the car is pretty much done. Let's take it for a ride. All right, guys, so I did buy a 2009 Road King Harley Davidson. It has a 110 Screaming Eagle engine in it, lots of LED lights, lots of chrome. I don't ride it anymore. It's been 13 years, but I bought it to sell it. I'll make a small video on it and just to show what I bought. All right, so please check out my videos. I do talk about my life experiences. Some of them are not good from my past. I live and learn like most people. I am relatable to a lot of situations that you may have encountered. I do travel videos throughout New England, and the next car video, I don't know, because I'm still looking for cars. I only have the Mini Cooper S. All right, guys, until the next video, Baldadonis out.